If you've got student loans and you're trying to buy a house, watch this video before calling your mortgage guy because we are going to answer all of your questions. What if my loans are in deferment or forbearance? Lenders are still going to count a payment, even if you're not paying anything yet. For conventional loans, they'll assume a payment of 0.5% of the loan balance, and for FHA, they'll typically do 1% unless you can prove that it's actually lower. Will my student loans hurt my chances of buying a home? Not automatically. So it's really going to depend on the payment on those student loans and how much income you have. The debt itself isn't the problem, it's the monthly payment that is going to affect your debt to income ratio. Should I consolidate or refinance my student loans before applying for a mortgage? Only if it's going to lower your monthly payment and that is going to be reflected on your credit report. Otherwise, it's not going to help you qualify and it could delay things. I am on an income-driven repayment plan. Is that payment going to be counted? Yes, as long as that payment is showing up on your credit report and it's not zero, but if it is zero, they're going to default to the 0.5% or 1% of the loan amount. Do private student loans count the same way? They're treated just like any other debt on your credit report. It counts. Should I pay off my student loans before trying to buy a house? Definitely not always. That cash may be better used towards your down payment or your closing costs. What if I am just finishing school now and my monthly payments haven't started yet? Again, the lender is going to assume a payment, but it's smart to plan for that early. So all in all, student loans don't disqualify you from buying a house, but they just affect your debt to income ratio, which determines how much you can qualify for. And the way those monthly payments show up is more important than the actual balance of the loan. So send this to somebody who doesn't think they can buy a house because of student loans. Maybe they're a bit closer than they think.